In today's video, I will teach you how to remove dark circles under your eyes using AI. Let's get started. Dark circles or under-eye blemishes can make an otherwise great portrait look tired or dull. But with Adobe Firefly's AI-powered generative fill, you can retouch portraits in just a few clicks. So go to firefly.adobe.com, then log in using your Adobe ID. If you don't have one yet, you can create a free account. From the homepage, look for the generative fill under the image category. Then click it to launch the generative fill editor. On the generative fill page, click the upload image or drag and drop your image into the upload box. Supported formats include JPG, PNG, and WebP. After uploading, your image will appear in the editing workspace. On the left toolbar, select the insert mode to begin selecting areas of your photo. And on the bottom toolbar, make sure add mode is selected. Then adjust the brush size, hardness, and opacity sliders to suit the precision needed. A small soft edge brush works best for facial retouching. And to zoom in, hold down the Control key or Command key on Mac and scroll up with your mouse wheel. And to zoom out, hold down the Control key, then scroll down. And you can pan around the image with two ways. The first one is clicking the pan tool on the left toolbar. Or you can also hold the spacebar, then click and drag on the image to move it around the canvas. Now use the brush to carefully highlight the dark circles under the eyes. And you can also brush over the blemishes, fine lines, or wrinkles if you'd like them retouched in the same process. But avoid selecting too much of the skin to preserve natural texture and structure. Now, in the prompt box below the canvas, enter a precise AI prompt. And make sure to avoid vague terms. Specificity helps the AI understand your intent better. Now click the Generate button and wait 5 to 10 seconds. And Adobe Firefly will generate 3 different results using your prompt. Now click on each preview to see it applied. And if you're not satisfied, you can revise your prompt or selection, then click Generate again. And once you're happy with the result, you can click Keep to confirm your choice. Then click the download icon at the top right corner to save your image. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.